Okay. Okay, so we will go into the reading section before we shifting to the level 3 book. Okay, so now have you choose one of the story from this link that I've sent you before? Have you choose one?
Ya, yang True Beauty.
Yang True Beauty, okay. Wait. True Beauty. Have you tried to read this?
Sedikit.
Okay. Okay, before that, we will go into the vocabularies. Jadi ini vocab-vocab yang banyak yang keluar di cerita ini. This is the definition of it, and we have some vocabularies over here. We have to match the definition with the correct vocabulary. Okay. Bisa acak aja ya ngerjainnya. Coba mulai dari yang Kak Leoko tahu aja dulu. Yang kira-kira?
Ini
Gimana?
berdasarkan ya, berdasarkan
Iya.
cerita itu.
Tapi ini definisi sih, definisi. Jadi kayak definisi vocabulary. Nggak berdasarkan cerita
gitu.
doang. Iya.
Hmm.
Yang dulu mungkin lucky to have the kind of life you have. Maksudnya adalah
Wait.
cara yang termudah dulu biar bisa dipasangkan.
Okay, to have the kind of life you have.
Ini ada a filter, an influencer, blast, a see where fit truly to give up a hashtag. Dari yang
Blast.
gampang dulu aja. Oh ya, blast. Ya, benar. Lucky to have kind of life you have, blast. Di sini ada cara. Misalnya di depannya ada to, definisinya to do something, itu berarti dia verb. Berarti di sininya juga harusnya ada to-nya.
Oh gitu.
Karena verb.
Ya.
Apalagi? Healthy and strong thanks to exercise.
Fit.
Fit? Yes, fit. Great.
A tool that makes photo look different after you take them. A filter.
Okay, filter. Next.
Into the something. To give up.
To give up, ya, menyerah.
Large like under the street. Apa ya? Sewer.
Sewer, okay, yeah, great. A large pipe or tunnel under the street where dirty water from sink and toilet goes. Jadi kayak apa? Pembuangan, saluran pembuangan air.
Selokan begitu ya?
Selokan tapi di bawah underground. Jadi bukan selokan yang kelihatan di surface kayak gitu.
Oh ya ya.
Dia di bawah. Jadi kayak saluran pembuangan yang di bawah itu.
Iya ya.
Sewer namanya. Okay.
Person on social media who have or chance to way over. Okay.
What is it? What is it? A person on social media who affect, mempengaruhi, or change atau mengubah the way other people behave, mengubah cara orang berperilaku.
An influencer?
Okay, an influencer, namanya juga influencer. Influence artinya pengaruh. Jadi influencer yang mempengaruhi.
Okay.
Okay, have 2 questions left. Really, honestly,
Honestly, true.
ya, truly, benar-benar ya. Really juga
Yeah.
benar, benar-benar, honesty juga, sejujurnya sebenarnya. Then the last one, tanda pagar,
Hashtag.
hashtag, ya. A hashtag. Okay. Okay, good job. And then we will proceed to the story. Here we have a short story by the title True Beauty. Okay, Kak Lioko,
Yeah.
you can read from this until the here.
Okay. Step was looking at Instagram. There were bloods, yoga photos, and oh, tetap baca enggak ya?
Oh, there were hashtag blast yoga photo.
Hashtag Sunday breakfast pictures. She saw photos of fresh bread and coffee with hearts in the milk. On the other side of the city, Matt
Keep going.
was doing the same thing. His Instagram was full of hashtag fit body. Gym,
Mhm.
selfies, and hashtag biz life, holiday photos.
Mhm.
Steph put some flowers next to her breakfast and took a photo of it. Her eggs and coffee were cold now, but the plate looked good. The plate was from an expensive art market. She had borrowed
Mhm.
the flowers from her neighbor's garden. Probably
Mhm.
only 10 people a day walked past or Mrs. Robin's garden. Flowers are for everyone to enjoy, aren't they? She thought. If she put the picture on Instagram, more people would see the flowers. Steph changed the colors on her picture to make the orange juice more orange juice and the pink rose brighter. She was choosing an Instagram filter when she noticed true beauty. She had download it the day before and then forgotten about it. Her picture looked perfect with that filter. She posted the photo for her 15K followers. She hoped some of them would feel jealous of her life. Then she threw the food on her plate into the bin. She didn't want to eat it now that it was cold.
Okay. Yeah, I will correct the pronunciation first. So
Okay.
it's she saw photos of fresh bread and coffee. Coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, and coffee with heart in the milk. With heart in the milk. Ini coffee ya. And then on the other. Ini bukan
the
the tapi di karena ini kan vokal. On the other side of the city, Matt was doing the same thing.
thing.
Ingat ya, thing.
Yeah. Thing.
The same thing. Yeah, great. The plate was from an expensive. Bukan an tapi an. Yeah, an expensive
Inexpensive.
art market.
Okay.
Then she had borrowed the flowers from her neighbor's garden. Probably.
Probably.
Pakainya I ya. Probably. Wait. Wait, let me share the voice. Let me share this.
Probably. Probably.
Pra, bukan pro, okay? Probably.
Oh, probably. Okay.
Probably.
Probably ya. Probably only 10 people a day walked past. Bukan past, tapi past.
Oh, past. Okay.
Karena kalau pest itu tulisannya kayak gini. Artinya pestisida atau obat hama, obat tumbuhan. Pest.
Okay.
Ini past. A-nya agak panjang.
Past.
Walk
Past.
past all Mrs. Robinsons. Mrs. Robinsons, S-nya jangan lupa dibaca. Karena
Oh,
itu
yeah.
punya Mrs.
Yeah.
Robinson's garden.
Okay.
Flowers are for everyone to enjoy, aren't they? She thought. Yeah, thought. Thought. And then change the colors on her pictures to make the orange juice more orange. Untuk menjadikan jus jeruknya lebih orange, more orange. And the pink roses, brighter.
Oh.
Brighter.
Brighter.
GH-nya nggak dibaca. Brighter.
Brighter.
Brighter. She had downloaded.
Ada ide ya. Downloaded.
Ya, downloaded. Ini juga she posted.
Post. Okay.
She posted the photo for her 15K followers. She hoped some of them. Ya, them. Bukan them, tapi them.
them.
Yeah, some of them would feel jealous.
Jealous.
Jealous. Okay, and then she threw the food on her plate into the bin. Okay, she didn't want to eat it now that it was cold. Di sini di borrowed itu ada tanda petik. Maksudnya apa kira-kira? Borrowed artinya apa borrowed?
Borrow.
Borrowed? To borrow artinya?
Pinjam, dipinjam.
Ya, to borrow itu meminjam ya.
Iya.
Meminjam.
Oh, meminjam.
Kalau to lend meminjamkan. Oke, to borrow itu meminjam.
Ya.
Jadi di sini kenapa borrow-nya kira-kira apa? Dipakein tanda petik kayak gini kenapa? Jadi kita belajar mencari makna, bukan cuma mengartikan. Mencari makna.
Oh,
Apa kira-kira?
apa yang mencari?
Kalau itu diartikan kan meminjamkan ya, meminjam ya.
Mm-mm.
Dia Steph meminjam bunga dari kebun tetangganya, right?
Ya.
Kalau kita masukin langsung ke Google Translate, let's say, itu kan mengartikan. Nanti kan artinya kayak gitu, dia meminjam bunga dari kebun tetangganya, right?
Mhm.
Benar ya, tapi kita coba baca kalimat selanjutnya. Probably only 10 people a day walk past old Mrs. Robinson's garden. Mungkin cuma 10 orang per hari yang lewat di depan kebunnya Mrs. Robinson's. Bunga kan untuk bunga bukan ini kalau diartikan bukankah bunga itu untuk dinikmati semua orang? Gitu. She thought, dia pikir. Makanya dia di sini borrowed. Sebenarnya adalah bukan meminjam tapi mengambil.
Oh, ya.
Ya, maknanya mengambil bukan meminjam. Dengan alasan yang buat gardennya cuma sedikit. Terus kalau
Ya.
misalnya dia post di sosial media kan akan lebih banyak orang yang more people would see the flowers gitu. Makanya di sini dikasih petik
Iya, ya.
untuk memberitahu itu tuh kalimat satir. Ceritanya tuh
Hmm.
satir, bukan benar-benar meminjam tapi dia mengambil atau
Iya.
steal, mencuri.
Iya.
Oke. Oke, next. From here until here.
From Matt.
Mhm.
Okay. Matt was ready to give up. He had worked out for an hour and he had put cooking oil on his skin so that it would look shiny. But the photos still didn't look good. He only wanted to be fit so that he could put photos on social media. He looked at his Instagram again. He hoped to see some ideas he could copy. Then he noticed an ad for True Beauty. That's what he needed.
Ini dibaca juga.
Oh, dibaca juga. pictures as beautiful as you are. See the real you with true beauty. Available in your app store for wah apa itu?
£0 ini pound sterling.
Oh, pound sterling. £0 because true beauty is free. That's what he needed. He downloaded the app. In minutes, he had the perfect selfie. In the photos, his body looked amazing. He posted the photo for his 27K followers. Then he got in the shower to wash off all the cooking oil. He remembered reading about all the fat under the city in the showers. Millions of people lived in his city. Most of them washed their cooking oil down the sink. The oil went to the sewers. It made a disgusting mess, and some poor worker had to clean it. Or did the oil go into the ocean and kill dolphins? He couldn't remember, but it wasn't his problem. Or was it? It was someone else's problem.
Oke. Ya, Matt was ready, bukan ready tapi ready.
Ready?
Ready. Mhm.
Ready, okay.
Matt was ready to give up.
Ready.
He had worked out. What the meaning of work out?
He had worked out.
Work out?
Work out.
Work out itu exercise ya.
Oh,
Berolahraga.
exercise.
Mau Zumba,
Oh, sama.
senam, gym, sama, workout.
Sama kayak exercise ya, workout.
Sama. Tapi exercise kan nggak cuma olahraga.
Iya,
Untuk
iya, iya.
pelajaran juga bisa exercise.
Iya.
Tapi
Oh.
kalau olahraga dia lebih natural pakai workout,
Okay.
bukan exercise.
Iya.
He had to work out for an hour. An hour.
Oh,
An ya.
An
Bukan
hour.
bukan an hour. An hour.
An hour.
An hour.
An
And he
hour.
had put cooking oil on his skin so that it would look shiny. Jadi dia ngasih minyak, put on.
Ya.
Put on itu kan memberi. Maksudnya
Iya.
memberi di apa? Di kulitnya.
Kulit ya.
Put cooking oil on his skin. Biar dia lebih bagus pas di foto.
Yeah.
But the photo still didn't look good. He only wanted to be fit so that he could put photos on social media. Jadi dia pingin jadi fit biar bisa upload foto aja.
Iya.
He looked, ini looked, bukan looked, tapi looked.
Looked.
Yeah, he looked at his Instagram again. He hoped to see some ideas he could copy. Then he noticed an ad ini app profession dari dari advertisement. Advertisement artinya iklan. Disingkat jadi ad.
Okay.
An ad from True Beauty.
Yeah.
Pictures as beautiful as you are. See the real you with True Beauty. Available in your app store for £0. Because True Beauty is free. And then that was he needed. Needed.
Needed.
Yang dia
Needed.
butuhkan. Then he got in the shower. Shower. Sha.
Oh,
Shower.
shower.
Bukan
Shower.
shower tapi sha. Pakai A. Shower.
Shower. Shower.
Ya. He got in the shower to wash off all the cooking oil. Wash off itu artinya membilas.
Yeah.
Membilas, membersihkan all the cooking oil. He remembered, bukan remembered,
Oh.
tapi remembered,
Remembered.
reading about all the fat under the city. What the meaning of this sentence?
He remembered reading. Dia
Reading?
mengingat.
Remember? Ya, dia
Dia
ingat.
ingat.
Mm-mm.
Dia ingat.
He remembered reading. Dia
Pernah
ingat. Pernah membaca.
Pernah membaca tentang the
All the fat. Fat di sini apa kira-kira artinya?
all
All the fat. Fat apa artinya?
fat, lemak.
Lemak. Under the city. In the sewer.
Tentang semua lemak. Lemak
Ya, tentang lemak di
di
bawah.
kota.
Ya, di bawah kota. Terus diperjelas in the sewer. Di saluran pembuangan.
Di saluran pembuangan. The sewers.
Millions of people lived in his city. Berjuta-juta manusia tinggal di kotanya. Most of them.
Them.
Oke.
Them.
Ya. Wash their cooking oil down the sink. Maksudnya adalah dibuang ke ini apa namanya? Dibuang ke wastafel. Wash
Wastafel,
down.
ya.
Wash their cooking oil down the sink. The oil went to the sewers. It made a disgusting mess, and some poor worker had to clean it. Poor di sini artinya bukan miskin, tapi lebih ke kasihan.
Oh ya.
Itu membuat kekacauan yang menjijikan, disgusting mess, and some poor worker had to clean it. Dan para pekerja, akhirnya kan dia kasihan. Para pekerja
Iya.
yang kasihan itu membersihkan, atau yang malang. Para pekerja yang malang itu membersihkannya. Harus
Iya.
membersihkannya. Or did the oil go into the ocean and kill dolphins? Atau mungkinkah minyak itu malah pergi ke pantai atau laut dan membunuh lumba-lumba? Couldn't remember. Dia tidak bisa mengingatnya. But it wasn't his problem. Tapi itu bukan masalahnya. Was it? Tapi itu bukan masalahnya kan? It was someone else's problem. Itu adalah masalah orang lain. Ini ya, someone else's. Jangan lupa, someone else's problem. S-nya tetap dibaca. Someone else's problem. Masalahnya orang lain.
Oke.
Okay, now read this first until here.
Both Deb and Matt were surprised to get so few likes,
Few.
and they weren't prepared for the negative comments they received. Susi? Nama ini ya?
Itu nama apa? Nama akun.
Oh, nama akun. Sushiki, remind me never to get breakfast at your place. Team Guy 21, ew, disgusting.
Mhm.
The rest of the comments were even worse. Both social media influencers looked again at the pictures. Looked again at the pictures they had posted.
Mhm.
Steps pictures showed horrible. Green eggs with apa nih?
With
Flea
Mhm.
all over them. The flowers were dead, and the coffee looked disgusting and gray. In Matt's picture, his body was covered in something that looked like dirty butter. It was in his hair and in his nose, and worst of all, his hands were really dirty. It looked as if he had been digging in the garden or worse. They both tried to delete the photos, but they couldn't. The negative comments keep coming. In a way, it was Steph's most popular post, and 50 people had shared Matt's post already. Just then, everyone who had installed the True Beauty filter received a message from the person who had created it.
Okay. Mhm.
Steph and Matt read.
Okay. Yeah. We will discuss about the pronunciation first. So the first one is, and they weren't prepared for the negative comments they received. Receive. To receive sama dengan to get. Okay, to receive, to get. Mendapatkan, sorry. Mendapatkan ya. Menerima atau mendapatkan.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then remind me never to get breakfast at your place. Mengingatkanku untuk tidak pernah memakan sarapan di tempatmu. So, ini komen-komennya. And then the rest of the comments were even worse. Artinya apa?
The rest.
The rest of the comments were even worse. The rest of the comments were even worse. The rest itu sisanya atau lainnya. Jadi komentar lainnya lebih
buruk.
Bahkan lebih buruk ya. Komentar lainnya bahkan lebih buruk. The rest of the comments were even worse. The rest itu artinya the remaining atau the something else
Ya.
yang lainnya. Okay, both social media influencer looked ya. Looked.
Look.
And
Ya.
then staff picture showed horrible.
Horrible.
Horrible artinya adalah
Apa kemarin?
horrible itu ugly atau terrible.
Oh ya.
Horrible.
Coba lihat ada.
Staff picture showed horrible green eggs with flies. Oke, flies.
Oh,
Itu dari kata ini. Artinya lalat. Kalau jamak jadi flies.
Oke.
Lalat. Jadi
Lies.
with flies all over them.
Lem.
Lalat yang ada di all over di sekitar. Di sekitar apa namanya makanannya itu. Them.
Makanan.
Them kembali ke makanan atau ke eggsnya ini. The flowers were dead, and the coffee looks disgusting and gray. What the meaning of gray?
Gray. Abu-abu.
Yeah, abu-abu. In Matt's picture, his body was covered in something that looked like a dirty butter. Was covered in something. Apa artinya? His body was covered in something that looked like dirty butter.
His body
Mhm.
was tubuhnya dikelilingi.
Cover. To cover artinya apa?
Di cover, dilindungi.
Ya, to
Dikelilingi.
cover kan artinya menutup ya.
Oh ya.
Cover kan menutup, berarti kalau misalnya ini pasif, was covered, jadinya ditutupi atau
Ditutup.
ditutupi atau dilapisi gitu. His body
Iya.
was covered, seluruh tubuhnya ditutupi,
Oh
dilapisi
ya.
oleh sesuatu yang terlihat seperti dirty butter, mentega yang kotor.
Mentega ya.
It was in his hair and his nose. It-nya itu balik ke dirty butternya itu.
Ya.
Itu ada di rambut dan juga hidungnya. And worst of all, his hands were really dirty. Dan yang lebih buruk dari itu, worst of all, dan yang paling buruk dari itu semua, tangannya sangat kotor.
Ya.
It looked as if he had been digging in the garden or worse. Digging. To dig itu artinya mencangkul.
Digging.
It looked as if he had been digging in the garden or worse. Terlihat seperti dia telah mencangkul di taman atau lebih buruk dari itu or worse. Then they both tried to delete the photos, but they couldn't, tapi nggak bisa dihapus. The negative comment kept, bukan keep ya, tapi kept. Ini verb 2. Verb 1-nya keep, verb 2-nya kept. Karena kan ini menceritakan tuh pasti dia pakainya verb 2.
Oke.
Keep, kept sama kayak meet. Verb 2-nya apa?
Meet. Met.
Ya, meet, met. Bacanya met ya, bukan meet. Untuk membedakan tuh verb 1 atau verb 2. The negative comments kept coming. In a way, it was Steph's most popular post. Sampai foto itu menjadi foto yang paling populer punya Steph.
Iya.
And 50 people has shared Matt's post already. Dan 50 orang sudah membagikan fotonya si Matt. Just then, everyone who had installed the True Beauty filter received a message from the person who had created it. Created. Ya, jadi to create. Create. To create artinya membuat. To make.
Create.
Oke. To create. Jadi kalau misalnya verb to berarti created. Tinggal tambahin D. Created. Makanya content creator. Content creator. Pembuat konten. Dari kata create.
Create.
From the person who had created it. Steph and Matt read. Itu mereka akhirnya baca message yang mereka terima dari the person who had created the filter, the True Beauty. Okay, next.
Lanjut.
Hmm?
Dear user, thank you for making True Beauty such an amazing success. 50 million downloads in the first 24 hours. 24 hours.
Mhm.
Wow. It's more than I ever hoped for. Honestly, guys, I am so hashtag blessed. I know that it's of you really truly cares about showing yourself as you really are. Are you as beautiful on the inside as you are on the outside? If you want your pictures to show the real you, it's time to be as beautiful in real life as you are on your social media. Have a truly beautiful day, beautiful people. Love, True Beauty. P.S. You can't remove the filter or delete the pictures you posted using it. Hashtag sorry not sorry. PPS. By the way, after the first time you use True Beauty, it will change all your photos from the moment on.
Oke. Ya, ini pesan dari True Beauty ya. Honestly, berarti honestly bukan honestly tapi honest.
Nggak pakai
Honestly.
ahnya ya.
Enggak, honestly.
Honestly.
Dan ini PS itu maksudnya postscript atau kayak apa namanya footnote di bawah gitu. PS script. Ini postscript gitu. Ini kayak
Postscript.
ada note lagi di bawah.
Oh,
Okay, you can't remove the filter or delete the pictures you posted using it. Jadi nggak bisa dihapus
hapus
filternya, nggak bisa di remove tuh apa sih? Ya dihapus ya di filternya atau di delete
foto gambar.
fotonya. Iya, fotonya. Jadi filter sama fotonya nggak bisa dihapus. By the way, after the first time you use True Beauty, it will change all the photos from that moment. Jadi semua foto setelah install True Beauty akan tetap kayak gitu,
Berubah.
akan ada filter True Beauty-nya. Jadi kebalikannya jadi jelek ya, kayak tadi ini malah tadi dikasih cooking oil malah jadi jelek. Terus jadi kebalikannya semuanya.
Okay.
Okay, then. Okay, here until here.
For the next 24 hours, not many people posted photos online. There was only one way people could see if the filter was still destroying their photos. They had to post pictures first and then see how they look. The results were not pretty. A few of the biggest influencers offered a reward. They joined together to offer £1 million for the first person to remove the filter. But they couldn't post a picture of themselves holding the money because the pictures were so ugly. So they had to stop advertising the reward. It didn't matter anyway. The person who developed True Beauty was too clever, and no one could remove the filter. Step stopped trying to take pictures after 5 more horrible pictures. She couldn't remove the True Beauty filter. The only thing she could do to hide the ugly pictures was to make her account private. Now, no one could see anything she had ever posted in her life. She felt depressed. She didn't want to do anything if she couldn't post photos of it. She went downstairs, past Mrs. Robinson's garden. The flowers were more beautiful than ever. She noticed the smell for the first time. Lovely. She stopped and smelled a large purple rose. "Hello," said Mrs. Robinson. Step was surprised because she didn't know Mrs. Robinson was there. "Oh, sorry," said Mrs. Robinson. "I was just putting water on her plants. At this time of year, there's always so much to do."
Okay. Yeah. So the result were not pretty. The result hasilnya
Result.
tidak terlalu bagus ya. Were.
Result.
Were ya, bukan where. Were.
Were.
Kayak
Were.
e-nya tuh kayak ke, were, were.
Were.
Ya, jangan where ya. Where itu kata tanya nanti jatuhnya.
Ya.
Where. The one and only where. Where tuh cuman ini. Ini where. A
Were.
few of the biggest influencers ya offered a reward. Menawarkan hadiah.
Oh, ya.
Okay, offer a reward. And then itu remove, bukan remove, tapi remove.
Remove.
Ya, remove. And then ini themselves. Them-nya sama cara bacanya themselves.
Themselves.
Ya, themselves. Bukan themselves, tapi themselves.
Okay.
Themselves. And then stopped.
Self.
Stopped. Bukan stopped,
Stop.
tapi stopped.
Stops.
Ya,
Stop.
ada D di belakangnya stopped. Stopped.
Stop. Horrible.
Ada D-nya ya, stopped.
Yeah.
Stopped.
Stop.
Horrible. Horrible.
Ya, horrible. Lupa.
Horrible. Remove lagi.
Remove.
Ini juga. Ini apa yang benar?
Past.
Ya, past. Bukan past, tapi past.
Past.
And then ini tuh sad. Kayak sedih.
Oh.
Sad. Bukan said. I-nya tuh nggak ada. Sad.
Oh, ini nggak dibaca juga.
Nggak. Sad.
Sad.
Sad Mrs. Robinson. Kata Mrs. Robinson. Okay. Do you understand a whole paragraph here? Misalnya nggak tahu artinya satu-satu, tapi paham alur ceritanya nggak? Kak Leoko.
Hmm. Wait.
Mhm.
Kayaknya harus saya baca ulang ya.
Oh, harus baca ulang ya. Oke, sekarang kita coba baca dulu aja ya.
Ya.
And then, ini kita baca dari sini sampai sini aja deh.
Sampai di
Sampai di yang sini. Sebelum letter. Sebelum
Ah.
letter.
step, look. Oh, yang mana ya?
Steph,
Oh,
look around.
Look around. She hadn't realized it was hard work to make a garden look nice. In fact, she had never really spoken to Mrs. Robinson. She had a new thought. Do you want some help? Steph asked. After all, she didn't have anything else to do. Oh, thank you, dear. That would be lovely. Mrs. Robinson looked delighted.
Mhm.
Steph actually felt happy for the first time since the whole Tributary nightmare had started. A couple of hours later, to be honest, Steph didn't think the garden looked very different. Mrs. Robinson said had been a great help. Steph had enjoyed herself a lot. Mrs. Robinson had been an an actor in the past, and she had some amazing stories to tell. Take a picture of us, dear, said Mrs. Robinson as Step was leaving. One of those selfies. Everyone laughed. Step almost said no. What could she do with photos now? But Mrs. Robinson would be happy with an ordinary picture. Steps suppose she could take one. She took a quick picture of the two of them. They were standing together in front of the roses, smiling and looking a little bit shiny and hot.
Okay, so she had never really spoken ya, verb 3 karena dia habis had, dia makanya verb 3 dari speak, spoke, spoken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Ya, karena di sini ada had, di sini verb 3. She had a new thought. Yang ini GH-nya nggak dibaca, GH-nya kan nggak dibaca ya.
Ya.
Terus ini TH di depan agak tipis, thought. Ya. She had a new thought. Thought ini verb 3 dari apa? Verb 3 dari apa, Kak Yoko? Sing.
Hah? Oh, sing.
Ya, sing, thought.
Ada ke
bawah. She had a new thought. Dia punya pemikiran baru. Dia punya pemikiran baru. Tapi di sini dia sebagai noun sih. Di sini sebagai noun, pemikiran.
Ya.
And then delighted. Delighted artinya happy. Mrs. Robinson looked delighted. Delighted. Ya, delighted. Mrs. Robinson looked delighted.
Delight.
For the first time since.
Oh,
Bukan science, since. She had been a great help. Great. Bukan great, tapi great.
Great. Great.
And then smiling.
Smiling.
Okay, smiling ya. Unfortunately, we can't do all of the story. Ya, kita belum bisa nyelesain story-nya. Jadi nanti ini untuk PR aja Kak Yoko. Karena kita masih punya task 1 and task 2.
Ya.
Di sini ya.
Ya.
Task 1, task 2. Coba ntar dipahami lagi ceritanya karena tentang yang ada dalam cerita untuk yang ini task 1-nya.
Oh, yang
Oke,
tesnya.
jadi nanti coba task 1, task 2. Task 2 itu mengurutkan kata jadi kalimat, membuat kalimat. Yang task 1 ini kayak true false dari ceritanya. Oke, nanti coba dikerjakan, dibaca dulu semuanya. Kalau misalnya ada kata-kata yang nggak diketahui, coba cari di kamus, dipahami, terus coba hafalkan ya Kak Leoko. Jadi kayak bacanya, mungkin bisa baca satu paragraf, baca dalam hati dulu. Habis itu yang kedua nanti baru dilafalkan. Karena itu akan melatih kecepatan kita pas bicara. Kecepatan pas baca juga. Tuh, jadi pace-nya bisa enak itu. One of Steph followers, Matt, diperhatikan ini, koma titiknya biar pas baca ada alurnya. At first, he was
Oke,
just pleased to see a nice photo for a change gitu. Nanti coba dilatih sendiri. Nanti habis dikerjakan tasnya coba di screenshot ya, terus dikirim ke WA aja.
Yang mana?
Oke, Kak Lioko, yang task 1 and task 2. Ini
Oh,
bawahnya. Nanti linknya dikirim lewat WA juga, biar langsung dikerjakan. Diklik aja linknya. Oke, Kak
gitu.
Lioko. Oke, we will meet again on
Oke.
tomorrow.
Besok.
No.
Iya, tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow ya.
Iya,
Okay, we will
tomorrow.
meet again tomorrow. So I hope you can finish the homework before our next class. Ya, diselesaikan sebelum kelas selanjutnya
Oke.
untuk PR-nya. Okay, thank you
Iya.
Kak Lioko
Yuk,
for your
Miss.
attendance and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yes, you. Bye, Miss.